A birthday celebration. Hello everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I want to talk about something that most people enjoy, a birthday celebration. Birthdays are special because they give us a chance to celebrate someone's life. They are also a wonderful opportunity to spend time with family and friends, enjoy good food, and create happy memories. I always enjoy the excitement that comes before a birthday. There is something special about knowing that a celebration is coming. You start thinking about the cake, the food, the decorations, the guests, and of course the birthday gift. A few days before the celebration, I usually start making a simple plan. First, I think about the guest list. Who should we invite? Family members, close friends, neighbors. The number of guests helps us decide how much food we need and where we should have the celebration. Then comes the most exciting part, choosing the cake. There are so many choices: chocolate cake, vanilla cake, strawberry cake, fruit cake. Sometimes choosing one is harder than eating it. For a birthday celebration, I usually prefer a simple cake with a nice design. The most important thing is that it tastes good. After choosing the cake, it's time to think about the decorations. We don't need to spend a lot of money. A few balloons, some colorful decorations, and a small birthday banner can make a room look completely different. Sometimes we also put up photographs. Looking at old pictures can be fun, especially when everyone starts telling stories about the past. On the day of the celebration, everyone is busy. Someone prepares the food. Someone arranges the chairs. Someone puts up the decorations. And someone keeps checking the clock because they are waiting for the guests to arrive. Finally, the first guests arrive. The room becomes lively. People say hello, shake hands, smile, and start talking. Children may run around and play games, while adults sit together and catch up. The atmosphere becomes warm and happy. One of my favorite parts of a birthday celebration is watching everyone enjoy themselves. Some people tell funny stories. Others take photographs. There is usually a lot of laughter. And, of course, there is plenty of food. Depending on the celebration, we might have sandwiches, snacks, rice, noodles, vegetables, fruit, or other favorite dishes. Food always seems to taste better when you are eating with people you love. After everyone has eaten, it is time for the main event. The birthday cake comes out. Everyone gathers around. The lights may be turned off. Then we sing the birthday song. The birthday person smiles, makes a wish, and blows out the candles. That moment is always special. Then comes the best part. We cut the cake and share it with everyone. Of course, some people want a big piece while others say, "Just give me a small piece." But somehow, the small pieces always disappear very quickly. After the cake, we may play games. We might have a quiz, a guessing game, or a simple competition. Sometimes the adults join in too, and that can make the celebration even more fun. Another special part of birthdays is giving gifts. A gift doesn't have to be expensive. Sometimes a small, thoughtful gift means much more than an expensive one. Book, watch, a shirt, photograph, or even something handmade. The most important thing is the thought behind the gift. I also think birthdays are a good time to say thank you. We can thank our family and friends for being part of our lives. We can think about the good things that happened during the past year. And we can think about what we want to achieve in the year ahead. A birthday is not only about getting older. It can also be a fresh start. New year of life. New goals. New experiences. New opportunities. Of course, not every birthday celebration needs to be big. Sometimes a quiet dinner with family is enough. Sometimes a simple meal with a few close friends can be more enjoyable than a huge party. What really matters is being with people who care about you. When the celebration finally comes to an end, everyone starts saying goodbye. The room becomes quiet again. The decorations may come down. The leftover food goes into the refrigerator. But the memories remain. We remember the laughter, the conversations, the photographs, cake, and the happy moments we shared together. That's what makes birthdays so special. They remind us to appreciate life and the people around us. So, if someone's birthday is coming soon, don't forget to celebrate them. You don't need a big party. You don't need an expensive gift. A simple message, a warm hug, or a few kind words can make someone feel special. Birthdays come once a year, but the memories we create can last much longer. Now I'd like to ask you a few questions. How do you usually celebrate your birthday? Do you prefer a big party or a small celebration? What is your favorite birthday food? What kind of birthday cake do you like? And what is the best birthday gift you have ever received? Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's commentary. Remember to celebrate the people you love, appreciate the time you have together, and make every special occasion a happy memory. Take care, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.